Okay, we want to look at the measures of dispersion. So if you check my page, I just finished on measures of central tendency, where we talk about mean, where we talk about median, and where we talk about mode. Now we want to look at what? Measures of dispersion. Now, under this one, we need to look at the range. We need to determine the standard deviation. We need to determine the variance. Are you getting it? And we need to determine the mean deviation. So these are the four things that we need to determine or consider under what? Under measures of dispersion. The range, is mean deviation, standard deviation, and what? And variance. So how do we go about this? We look at this data is under on data. Why is it under on data? Because the data is limited. It's not much. You can easily find the mean of this one. You can easily find the median of this one, and you can easily find what the mode of this one. That is why it is on good data. But the one that you have large data, that one is not on group data. In that case, you need to group such of data. Is that taken now? Now let's go about this. The ages in years of 7 girls are 12, 8, 10, 10, 13, 15, and 9. Calculate the what? The range. We have to calculate the range. We have to calculate the range. And what is the range? Range is what? Range is highest value or highest score minus what? Minus lowest value or score. Now, from this information, what is the highest value? The highest value is 15. While the lowest value is what? Is 8. The lowest value is 8. Therefore, 15 minus 8, what do we have? We have 7. We have 7. So the range is what? The range is 7. Then the next one we have to calculate what? The mean deviation. Mean deviation. And what is the mean deviation formula? The mean deviation is what? Is summation of x minus what? X bar. Then over what? Over n. This is under on good data. There is no attachment of FA. So the mean derivation is what? Summation of x minus x bar divided by what? Divided by n. So it means that we need x bar. And how do we obtain the x bar? Your x bar, which is the mean, is going to be summation of x over n. Now let's add everything together. We have 12 plus, let me put them in a table. Let's say ages as x. Then we have what the lowest value is what? Is 8. Then we have 9. We have 9. We have 12. No, we have 10. We have 10. Then what else we have? We have 13. Then we have 15. This 10 appear 2 times. We have 12. We have 13. And we have 15. So we need X bar now. X bar. And how do you obtain the X bar? So after that, we have X minus X bar. Then after that, we have summation of what we want. X minus X bar. So we need what? X bar, which is your mean. How do we get the X bar? Let's add X bar, mean, X bar. Let's add everything together. We have 8 plus 9 plus 10 plus 10 plus 12 plus 13 plus 15. Then all over, that is sum of the scores divided by what? The number of the scores. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Divided by 7. Now let's add them together and let's see what we are going to have. 8 plus 9, that is 17. Then plus 20, we give you 37. Then plus 2, 12, we have 9, we have 49. Plus 13, this will give us 2, this will give us 5, 6, then plus 62 plus 15, we have 7. So we have 77 here over what? Over 7. So at the end of the day, this will give us 11. So our mean is 11. Our mean is 11. So mean is 11. So we can just have 11, 11, 11 as mean. 11, 11, 11. Now let's go to x minus what? 11. We have 8. 8 minus 11. That will be what? 8 minus 11 is going to be minus 3. Minus 3. 9 minus 11 is going to be what? Minus 2. 10 minus 11. 10 minus 11 is going to be minus 1. Another 10 minus 11 is going to be minus 1. Then we have 12 minus 11 is going to be what? 1. So we have 13. 13 minus 11 is going to be what? It's going to be 2. Then what we have 15 minus 11 is going to be what? It's going to be 3. So when you find the summation of this one now, summation of this guy, it will give you what? X minus X bar, it will give you 0. But this one we cancel, this one we cancel, this one we cancel. Okay, which other one again? This will go, this will go. Then this one will go. Which one I have not done? This one, this one, this one. Now let us go with this one now. So this one, 15 minus 11 should be 4. So it should be 4. So when you sum everything together, you give it 0. look at the absolute value of this one, summation of this. So this one is going to be 3, going to be 2, going to be what? 1, 1, 1, 2, 4. So let's add everything together. Let's add everything together. We have x minus x bar. So what are we having? This plus this, 5, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So we have 14 here. So the summation of x minus x bar is 14. Now let's go back to mean derivation formula. This mean derivation formula. So for us to obtain the mean derivation, so you have mean derivation as summation of x minus x bar divided over n. So we have summation of everything. What is everything? That is 14. We have 14. Then n is what? Number of n. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. N is 7. So when you divide this one, we have 2. The next one is what? To calculate the standard deviation. And what is standard deviation? Standard deviation. Standard deviation is what? Is the square root of summation of x minus x bar, the square is the over n. That is standard deviation is what? Is the square root of variance. Why the variance is what? Is the square of standard deviation. So how to obtain this one now? You can square this guy. You can have x minus x bar. Then you square it. When you square this one, you have 9. When you square this one, you have 4. When you square this one, you have 1. When you square this one, you have 1. When you square this one, you have 1. When you square this one, you have 4. When you square this one, you have what? 16. So let's add everything together. 9 plus 4. 9 plus 4, that is 13. 13, here is 13. 13, 14, 15, 16. 16. 16 plus 4, that is 20. 20 plus 16, let's see. 20 plus 16, we have 6, we have 36. We have 36. 36. So what I have here is what? Is 36. We have square root of 36 divided by 7. So when you do that, what are you going to have? How many 7 with 36? 7 with 36 should be 5. Yes, should be 5. 7 with 36 should be 5. When you got what? When you got 1. So 7 with 1 cannot be put 1. So we make this one to be 10. How many 7 in 10? That should be what? 1. When you got what? When you got 3. So 30. How many 7 with 30? 7 with 30 should be 4. When you got what? When you got 28, when you got 2. 7 with 20 should be what? 2. So don't go far. Now, when you now find the square root of this now, when you find the square root of 5.142, what is the answer? So that is our what? Our standard deviation. So it's going to be 2 point, what do we have? That should be 2.2, okay? 2.268, 2.268. So that is the standard deviation. So if you are asked to find the variance, just square this one. When you square the result of standard deviation, we have what? We have variance. So that is how to calculate measures of dispersion. You need to know the range, you need to know how to determine the mean deviation, you need to know how to determine the standard deviation, and as variance. So thank you, and always follow for more videos.